Hello friends. In today's video we are going to talk about another depreciation calculation formula, that is SYD. It is sum of year digits depreciation method, and it is an accelerated formula, means the depreciation will be charged at a higher rate in comparison to the straight line method in the initial years. The variables which are used in this formula is cost, salvage value of asset, life, and the period for which it is being calculated. And the formula which is used is remaining life of the asset divided by sum of years. So we'll understand this concept by an example. So assume cost of machinery on which you are going to charge depreciation is 2 lakhs. Life of machinery is 10 years, and salvage value is 5,000. Salvage value is the residual value of the machinery after the depreciation period is over. So at the beginning, in the first year, 10 years is left. In the second year, just focus on this cell. I'll highlight it. So remaining life, we are working out the remaining life. So at the first year, 10 years are left for depreciation. Second year, 9 years are left. And third year, 8 years are left. Like that, we have worked out. Then the summation of all these is 55. Now the depreciation rate will be, as per this formula, remaining life of asset divided by sum of years. So remaining life of asset is 10 divided by sum of year is 55. So first year depreciation rate is going to be 18.18. I'll freeze this last column, sum of year, last cell, sorry. So 18.18, and then I will drag it. So once I drag it, I will get the depreciation percentage for each of the years. So first year, my depreciation rate will be 18.18 and depreciation will be 35,454. How it has been calculated? That is simply whatever be the value is there, that means the cost of machinery minus the salvage value multiplied by the depreciation percentage. So it gives me this value, and then I will drag it to get the value for subsequent years also. So I've frozen those two cells and then kept this cell variable, and then I drag it. So first year the depreciation is 35,454, and then the last year depreciation is 33,545. The total depreciation charged is 1,95,000. So 1,95,000 plus 5,000, which is a salvage value, is equal to my initial cost of machinery. Now the same thing we will calculate by using the SYD formula. So now please focus on this row, this column. So first year, let us go to insert tab, choose the formula SYD. The cost of machinery is 2 lakhs, salvage value is 5,000, life is 10 years, and period is first year 1, and put OK. So first year depreciation is 35,454. Now we will work it out the other periods also. So let me put the dollar sign for those figures which are going to remain constant. And now when I drag this formula, I will get the depreciation which is similar to the depreciation which we have calculated by the normal elaborated method. So this is the use of SYD depreciation method. And now if you want to work out what is the depreciation rate if you go by the book values method, then that is also been worked out here. So let me try to do it for you. So first year the book value is 2 lakhs. Second year the book value is 2 lakhs minus the depreciation, and then we will drag it. So 10th year, at the closing of 10th year, my book value will be 5,000, which is the salvage value, and the depreciation as per book value, this comes out to be this much percentage. So this is only for information. There is no practical use as of now, right now. For the formula purpose, you need to understand that this SYD method calculate the depreciation percentage on the basis of remaining life of asset divided by sum of years. So remaining life of asset divided by the sum of year. and then accordingly gives the accelerated depreciation for the initial years and then at the lower rate in the last. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.